Bajaj Auto has announced that it has stopped bookings for its electric scooter yet again in the Indian market. The company has updated its website regarding the closing of bookings of the electric scooter. The company had resumed the second round of bookings of the Chetak Electric by the end of June 2020. After just 2.5 months, the company has yet again stopped the bookings in the country. Although the company has not revealed the reason behind the closing of the bookings, we expect it's because of the production bottlenecks that were created during the ongoing pandemic. Due to the nationwide lockdown announced earlier, the production process could have impacted, with timelines getting delayed for finished products coming out of the factory. The scooter has been well received in the market. The Chetak electric scooter has outsold its primary rival, the TVS iQube scooter, consistently in previous months. Due to the increased demand and production challenges during the ongoing pandemic, it might have forced Bajaj to close bookings for the electric scooter temporarily. The Bajaj Chetak electric scooter went on sale in the Indian market during January this year. The company is selling its electric scooter in a phase-wise manner, expanding to different cities across the country, starting with Pune and Bengaluru. The pandemic has also caused the delay in the launch of the Chetak Electric in other cities across the country. According to the latest reports, the timelines have been pushed by around 4 months for a pan-India launch of the electric scooter. The Bajaj Chetak electric scooter is offered in two variants, the Urbane and the Premium. The entry-level Urbane trim retails at Rs 1 lakh, while the top-spec Premium costs Rs 1.15 lakh respectively. Both prices are ex-showroom Bengaluru. The electric scooters are being sold exclusively across all KTM dealerships in both cities. The electric scooter features a modern retro theme with contoured body panels. It comes equipped with round-shaped LED headlamps with integrated DRLs, LED tail lights and turn indicators, a digital instrument cluster, feather touch activated switches and chrome surrounds for the headlamps, among others. The powertrain on the Chetak Electric consists of a 4 kW electric motor coupled to a 3 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. The electric powertrain produces a peak torque of 16 Nm and offers a maximum riding range of 95 km on a single charge. The electric scooter also comes equipped with fast charging technology. The company claims that the scooter will have enough juice to travel 25 km with an hour of charge. Suspension on the scooter is handled by a single-side tubular suspension at the front and a monoshock setup at the rear. Braking on the electric scooter is done via a disc brake at the front and a drum brake at the rear. The scooter will also feature a single side-cast aluminum swing arm with 12-inch alloy wheels. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.